Welcome to my channel, Vishwajit's Web. Here we shall be learning about our HTML tutorial. What we are going to learn here is that what is HTML? First, HTML document, HTML tag, HTML elements, examples of HTML tag, saving a HTML file, HTML attributes, formatting HTML documents, HTML comments, HTML self-closing tag, and block level elements and inline elements is the very basic of HTML. So let's start without any delay. Now, what is HTML? HTML is used for writing web pages. Rather, you can say that it is used for building websites. It is different from programming language because we don't use here some controls like if, else, while, loop. These flows and controls are not used here. It is called a markup language because we are going to use only simple tags. So let us see what we are going to use. This is our first HTML document. While we can see the first line comes here doctype HTML. This is very important because in each and every pages we need it. The first thing that we need here is this, the HTML document type, then HTML, head, pages. Now, if you can see here, this one HTML is here and corresponding to it one in slash then HTML. This part is called the opening tag and this is called the closing tag. Similarly, for head, we have an opening tag and a closing tag. Similarly, for title, we have an opening tag and a closing tag. Similarly, for body, we have an opening tag and a closing tag. Similarly, for H1, we have opening and closing. Each and every element has to be like that. Now, let's see next slide. What is HTML tag? The HTML tags normally come in pair like HTML, HTML. The first tag in a pair is often called the opening tag and the second one is called the closing tag. Here we have HTML and slash HTML. Slash is the closing and without a slash is the opening tag. Now, what is an element and a tag? Let us understand the difference between an element and a tag. A tag, when you are writing only this like HTML and HTML slash, but when we are using it along with the content, it is basically termed as an element. Technically, an element is a collection of start tag and the content between them. When we have the content, it's called an element, and when we don't have the content, it's termed as tag. Hope this is clear to you. These are the examples of some HTML tags. HTML, then closing HTML. Basically, it's termed as a root element because each and every HTML element has to be started with HTML tag and closed by an closing HTML tag. Similarly, we have the head, title, body, H1, P, A, div, and many more. You have to save a HTML file with dot extension with .html or .htm. There are some attributes where we can give some special meaning to our tags so that those tags comes with some additional features which I'll be showing you very soon. Next, formatting HTML document. As we all know, we can format a Word document. Hope you have finished the Word document. Hope all of you have done MS Word. That's why you are coming for HTML. If you want to make a text bold, you have to write the tags within the B and the /B. Similarly, if you want to make a text italic, you have to use the I tag. Similarly, underline, you have to use U tag. Strike, you have to use the strike tag. Monospaced, you have to take the TT tag. Similarly, subscript and superscript. Subscript, when we write something like x square, we all know that the 2 comes little up. So that is termed as superscript. If you can see in the example, you can see here the example x square. So 2 will go up when we write like this. Similarly, in the subscript text, subscript we can write like using the word sub. SUB and SUB. Similarly, we have the deleted text and inserted text, large text and smaller text. HTML comments. Whenever we write some, we want to keep a note in our HTML documents. In our HTML documents, we need to use the comment, because when we use the comment, that comment will not be rendered when you view the page. But when you see the source code, you will see it, but in the comment you will not see this. There is something called self-closing tag. We all know that their tags are start tag, end tag, start tag and end tag, and the content inside it. But some elements are there which don't have the start or end. They have only one tag, basically like beer, and this beer, before this closing angular bracket you can see a slash. The beer is a single line. There are something called block line and inline elements. What is a block line and a block level and inline elements? Block elements comes in a new line, whereas the inline element remains in the same line. This all for today's session. In the next session, we shall see many more things. This is my humble request to you all. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. I will bring you many more videos for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me any question in the comments, or you can WhatsApp me at my mobile number for any queries. Thank you.